wonderful people. Welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make Indian chicken curry. Namaste to all my Indian friends. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's all do together. Yalla! Go through the ingredients for our chicken curry. We have 8 cloves. We have 1 small cinnamon stick, fine chopped garlic and ginger, chopped coriander, roughly chopped green chili, roughly chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, sunflower oil, mixed spices. This contains about 8 different types of spices: coriander, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, garlic powder, paprika, nutmeg, a lot. That's why you can see I did not put too much spices around, because this one contains almost all the spices for curry. And our chicken stock still simmering, and this new baby in the kitchen. And then our bone-in chicken, which has been in the fridge for about 30 minutes now. I will use the chicken skin and bones with garlic, onion, bay leaves and carrots to make a nice and tasty chicken stock for our curry sauce, because I want everything we are using to be 100% natural. Before I marinate the chicken, I will wash it with 1 lemon juice. The reason is the acidity of the lemon juice will break down the meat of the chicken, so that the spices I'm going to use can penetrate into the meat, so that when you're eating after cooking, you really feel the spices inside the chicken meat. I will marinate the washed chicken with garlic, the spices, salt and pepper, and a little oil, and put in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes. Now I'll put the stove on high heat, because I want the pot to be very hot before I put in the chicken to sear it. Then I take it out and make the sauce. But I don't like just putting raw chicken in the sauce. It makes the taste of the chicken very flat. That's why I marinated it for about 30 minutes. I sear it, take it out, do the sauce, and then put it back, so that you can get strong flavor of the curry in the sauce and also in the chicken as well. Hollywood. Now, the pot is very hot. Just to sear it. I will not wash, we'll continue with the sauce. Just a little drop of oil. This is non-stick, so no need to put too much oil, as the oil also is not good for our head. I'll put 2 tablespoons of garlic and 2 tablespoons of ginger. I'll add my already washed dry spices. Okay. The garlic is golden brown now, so I will add the onion and we will cook it so it's also golden brown. And we'll add half of the coriander and the green chili. The onion is nicely caramelized, so I'll add half of the coriander now. But when you saute it gives it the strong aroma of it. We will keep this one when we are just about to finish the sauce, so that it gives the freshness of the coriander in the sauce. And I'll add the green chili also now. So we will saute for about 5 minutes Afterwards, we add the tomatoes. You can see how the onion, ginger, garlic, coriander has really sauteed. And I tell you, the strong aromatic flavor from all these ingredients can even heal corona. The tomato now. 5 more minutes, and then add the dry spices powder. Mix spices. So the reason why I add the ingredients bit by bit is that I want everything to cook well, so that when we are eating, you will not feel like the freshness of tomatoes, freshness of turmeric, freshness of anything. Everything will cook nicely, so that we just feel the great taste of chicken masala. Traditionally, they use more oil to cook curry, but you can see there's no single drop of oil. See how the gravy has really reduced. So I can add in the chicken now. It takes for 2 minutes after I add the chicken stock. So from there, you remove it from high to medium heat and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. I can add a little salt because I put salt to marinate the chicken. I'll just put a little after we taste and see if we need to add more salt. Our curry has been simmering for 10 minutes now. Ooh. Look at the curry masala. Look at the gravy. How sexy and romantic it looks. Let me just give it a taste and see. Taste looks nice. This is good. You can feel all the spices, but I think it needs a little salt. I will add more coriander so that we really get the freshness of the coriander in our sauce. I just leave a little bit for garnish. Okay, so just 3-4 minutes, then our sauce will be done. Wow, it's just perfect. The freshness, the flavor, the consistency of the sauce, everything is just on point. It's just good. Dear friends, we are the favorite part of the video, that is tasting. And as usual, I'll be doing the tasting. And unfortunately, I'll be doing it alone. So let me go on. Oh, see how tender the chicken looks. This one, it will just melt in your mouth. You don't need any energy to chew it because it has been cooked perfectly. So let me go ahead. Take some sauce. Chicken thigh as a drumstick. Okay, bring this one out. There's some sauce and chicken. Ubawo, Mamma mia! Please, somebody have rice or potato around because I can't wait. Yeah, bro, wait. I'm going to call the Indian friend who visited my flatmate for you to come and taste, for everybody to know how the chicken curry tastes good, because whatever I will say, people will think maybe I'm doing it. So let me go and beg, maybe he will come and taste for us, okay? So forth. Dear friends, I have asked the visitor who came to visit my flatmate. He's an Indian. So I asked him to taste and give us his honest feedback. Mr. B, please can you come and give it a try?
Thank you, sir, for having me to your YouTube platform. Let's taste the chicken curry. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. So, chicken meat. More sauce. Okay. So, sir, here you are.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Friends, it's really delicious. Chicken is tender and the masalas are well cooked. Dosto, let's try this one to your home. And please subscribe Chef Gavi
Thank you.
channel, YouTube channel, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's
You're welcome.
delicious.
Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day. Dear friends, so you heard it from the horse's own mouth. I can never deceive you. This really tastes good. So please try it at home, and I try my best to use common ingredients you can find in any supermarket. So try it at home and give me your feedback. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.